What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue, and I'm chilling with my Napoleon grills. This is my charcoal grill, and this is my ambience grill, specifically the Phantom Prestige 500. And I just got a pretty solid upgrade for it, like across the board. It's going to make this year pretty awesome and a serious upgrade to this channel, because until now, I've never really had a full griddle. I had a half griddle insert for my ambience grill, but I've officially got the premium stainless steel full insert for the 500 series for the prestige models of Napoleon's grill. Now, what I'm about to show, they have in different variations and sizes. So if you have a Napoleon grill, you can just get the one that matches yours best. But let's talk about it. Let's check it out. All right. So let's hope this works, because I've clipped my mic directly onto the griddle. But as you can see here, this thing is slick. Let me bring it in a little bit closer. It's looking absolutely magnificent, and I can't wait to start using this. Now, what would you normally use this for? Well, the options are abundant. Let's talk about it. So I definitely want to make sure that you guys can hear me when I'm using the mic here. So I'll hold it like this. Now, I can't wait to start making hamburgers on this, specifically smash burgers. Until now, I haven't felt like I've really had the right tools to do that, and this thing is slick. It's gonna definitely up my smash burger game. But stir fries, breakfasts, I can't wait to barbecue some pancakes. That's something I've never had the opportunity to do until now. So guys, I can't wait. I'm actually blown away at how slick this is. You can see here, it is just one solid surface. Like, this is a really good flat top. We got the drainage holes at the back, so you can get rid of your grease. Nothing complex, guys. It's just like you're working at the old burger shop. You know what I mean? You can just throw down your patties, whether they're smash burgers or not. It doesn't matter. This thing's going to be slick. And as you can see here, I've got it slotted in to the Napoleon grill, and it's looking absolutely fantastic. Sorry, my hands aren't the steadiest here, but guys, this little griddle plate fits perfectly, and it's got the full space. That means I'm going to be able to have one side nice and hot, while the other side is still warm to keep things like nice and up to temp. But, once I'm done grilling something on one side, I can move it over to the other. I'm pretty excited about that. All right, so let's talk spatulas. This is my current setup. First spatula, this one's for hash browns. You can see it's got one flat edge, and then the rest is curved. Perfect to go in with that side scoop. I can't wait to cook hash browns on this. That's going to be super cool. Burger spatula. Man, oh man, check it out. This one is probably going to get the most use. I can't wait to make smash burgers. I already mentioned that before, but it's 100% something I'm super excited to try. I can't wait to throw down some burgers, smash it down, put onions on top, give it the flip. Oh, it's going to be magnificent. Then we just got the two dual, I guess you just call them spatulas, right? These are friggin' wicked. These things are going to be lethal when I make some stir fries or really anything. Like, I'm thinking breakfast with these. Dang, man, that's going to be awesome. This, though, I think is really cool. Check it out. It's for pumping out pancakes. It looks just like a water bottle. It's got one of those mixers on the inside, one of those little, I don't know if you can hear that, the steel ball kind of thing to make sure everything's good. This one's going to be super cool. All right, so you're probably thinking to yourself, how do I keep it clean? Well, I thought myself the same thing. Apparently there was a kit for that. So I got lucky. I got a kit too. Look at these some squirt bottles. I can put water in there, some, whatever I need to clean it off, put down some liquid before I go in with one of these, just a straight edge scraper, getting all the gunk off, all that burger chunks that get left behind. And then I got a scrub pad scraper. Guys, I'm really excited about this. This is a serious upgrade for my channel, which super helps out. I've got a pellet smoker. I guess it's my Traeger Woodridge Pro. So I guess that's technically a wood-fired oven. But then I have my Napoleon gas ambience grill. I've got my Napoleon charcoal grill. This right here, this is where it all started, bud. What else do I got? I got my offset smoker, my 225 gallon, 250 gallon custom built offset smoker. I'm telling you, when it comes to just simple gas grilling, it's great. Like, I love having a gas barbecue. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy. What, 15 minutes, you get some hamburgers on the go, hot dogs, just heat them up. Nothing crazy, just simple. That's what's nice. Everyone has an ambience grill, and when you can upgrade it like I just did with one of these inserts, like, heck yeah. What a simple way to get an additional utility out of your barbecue, right? Everyone's got a barbecue for the most part. Well, not everyone, I shouldn't be unrealistic. Lots of people don't, but purchasing an ambience grill can be a great starting place, and this is a great example why. Maybe after your first year of owning it, or maybe 2 years, you invest and get one of those little simple inserts that go right in. I mean, guys, I seriously upgraded here. This is awesome. Super pumped. I mean, here, let's go in for another quick look. So as you can see here, I've got my insert griddle plate pulled out, but man, this thing is awesome. Super slick. I'm going to put a couple layers of probably beef tallow on this to give it a quick season before I actually start cooking on it. My thought is, maybe 4 or 5 quick layers to get that nice seal on there. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's kind of the same as a cast iron pan when you season it, but it's a little different because it is stainless steel, but it's still something you should season. Anyway, guys, this is going to be awesome. I can't wait to drop some recipes with this, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're not already part of the channel, go ahead, like and subscribe. My name is Saucy Rossi. I'm the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. I love dropping simple recipes that you can follow yourself. I love reviewing things like this, even just showing off and telling you guys about tools, sauces, barbecue dry rubs. You guys know what's up. Comment below if you want to see some griddle action. Let me know if you want to griddle as well. I can't wait to hear from you. Take care, stay safe, and we'll be chatting soon.